loves. Happy 2024. I'm so excited to share these beautiful and amazing trends with you guys. Hyper feminine, my absolute favorite trend. I've been dressing like this my entire life. So to be able to see this style be trendy and for women to be embracing their femininity, I absolutely love. It's all about pink, ruffles, lace socks, ribbons, bows, Barbie, pearls, and just embracing the woman that you are. Leopard. Ooh, I love feline fashion. Meow. This can be hats, shoes, gloves. We're seeing it all over the runway. And when I say that we're pulling things out of our closet, I mean it. We're not spending. This is a dress that I've had over 10 years. But to make it fresh, we're adding pearls, lace, pointed heels, anything that's uniquely you. It's still feminine, but fierce. Grandma chic. This is not your abuelita style. This is vibrant, maximalist, fresh, and handmade. So no one will ever look the same. Plus, it's a step above those leggings and sweater that you've been wearing. That cardigan that your grandma knitted for you, whew, and is in the back of your closet, we're gonna pull it out. We're gonna add bows, pleated blouses, jeans, and a pair of our old Keds. It's a nod to coastal grandma, but with our own personal unique style. Plus, we're getting ahead of looking good in the retirement home. Coming up, roses. This is not the floral pattern that we've seen in past seasons. This is strictly roses. It's romance meets girlhood with dresses, long skirts, lace, the choker, all a nod to the 90s style that we adore. It's our connection back to desire, passion, and fire for fashion. Elevated sportswear. It's comfort, but with a twist. Loud patterns, contoured lines, trainers. We're multifaceted here. It's Range Rover mom while signing deals at lunch and looking good too. I hope that you guys enjoyed all of these trends. If you got value from my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. May you guys have a beautiful and blessed year, and may all your fabulous dreams come true. Los amo. Mwah.